Welcome to this new video. Today I want to show you the difference between a gel and a liquid lens cleaner and why you should prefer one over the other. And for today's example, I'm gonna use two types of eyewear. The first one is a pair of eyeglasses of Modo with prescription lenses and an anti-reflective coating. The second one is from Oakley. It is Oakley Shock Tube with ballistic grade lenses, prescription lenses, and an anti-fog permanent coating on them. So let's start talking about why you should use a lens cleaner at all. So first of all, people usually say you can use sink water. About sink water, yes, it is a valuable solution, but it depends where you live. For example, in the area where I live, I use a filtration system because the public water is not pure enough. Besides, if the temperature of the water is too hot or too cold, it can ruin the coatings on the lenses. The second solution that I see many people doing, but it is completely wrong, is to use simply a cloth or a microfiber cloth without any moist. And this is very dangerous because of two things. So first of all, in the air, depending on where you are, but there is a percentage of silica that can fall on the lens, and when you wipe the lens clean with a cloth, you can scratch the coating or you can scratch the actual lens. You can have debris on the lens itself, or you can have dirt on the cloth. So be honest with me, when is the last time that you clean your microfiber cloth? This is a risk. So if you don't keep your microfiber cloth clean, if you don't use any moist and you wipe dry the lenses, you really risk to ruin your eyeglasses. If you spend a lot of money for your beautiful eyeglasses, you want to take care of them and you want them to be like new, always, with a clear view. For all these reasons, I prefer a lens cleaner. And today I have UltraVue Gel Lens Cleaners, which are professional grade, optical professional grade lens cleaners. And the main feature of these lens cleaners is that they are gel and they represent the pinnacle of optical lens cleaning technology. In fact, Colts Laboratories test them out and they scientifically verified that they have a 0.0 haze rating. It means that when you use UltraVue Gel Lens Cleaner to clean your lenses, you don't leave any smudges, any streaks behind, and the lens is literally spotless, leaving nothing behind. So this is actually the main difference between a gel and a liquid lens cleaner. Another difference between the two types is that a liquid also is more prone to waste, because when you spray it on the lens, the liquid tends to drop and the particles don't stick to the lens. Instead, the gel particles stick to the lens and they ensure less waste and a better cleaning process, because they are able to grab all the dirt and take it with you when you use your microfiber cloth. Recapping everything, the main difference between a gel and liquid lens cleaner is that UltraVue Gel is scientifically proven with a 0.0 haze rating. So especially if you have high-end eyeglasses, a gel lens cleaner is the way to go. Also, the gel is made with lab-grade type 2 deionized water, and it ensures that all the dust, oil and fingerprints and all the debris are wiped off from the lenses. Said that, UltraVue Gel comes in different formats and colors. You can have clear, that I have here, cobalt, emerald and rosé. But they have all the same composition, so you can just pick the color that you prefer and you will have the same result. We have different format. This is a value 8-ounce size, but if you want to clean your lenses on the go, you can pick the 2-ounce travel size format. So you really have a broad and wide choice according to your specific need. So let's see how to use UltraVue gel. So first of all, you need to have, I really recommend to use a microfiber cloth. So this is UltraVue 100% microfiber cloth. It has a dense honeycomb matrix wave within. It is made in the US and it is flint free, so it doesn't lose all the pieces all around. And you can get actually UltraVue kits that comes with a microfiber cloth. So microfiber cloth is the way to go. You can, if you don't have it, you can use another type of soft cloth. When you have the cloth on hand, you just open the bottle of UltraVue. It's a spray, it's a precision spray bottle, and you just need to spray once per side of the lens. And when you do this, you actually see that the little drops don't fall, they stick to the lens, okay? And it doesn't matter if UltraVue gel goes on your hands or on the eyeglass frame. It is perfectly safe, it is family safe, it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals. So what you have to do, you just wipe it clean with a circular motion. Okay, you can use your thumb and you can have a circular motion here until the lens is spotless and dry. And as you can see, it is crystal clear. You can see clearly everything from it, and there is not a particle of dust on it. It's incredible. The same thing for this example. I want to use a different surface. So this is a glass, but UltraVue gel works perfectly with all coatings and all surfaces, so glass and plastic. This is, as I said, a polymer, and it works the same for this, and it is perfectly safe and effective. So also here you just spray once a little quantity of this, of the gel, on the lens, and also here with a circular motion you wipe the product off the lens. And especially if you use safety eyeglasses for work, it is very important that you are able to see clearly what you are doing. You can't have debris, moist, oil, or other obstruction to your view. So that's why having a lens cleaner like UltraVue gel with you, it's really, really important. So that's it. This is everything that you need to do to have perfectly spotless lenses. And another amazing feature that I want to talk about today is the microfiber cloth that you can find in UltraVue kits. So the main question that I always ask to people in the eyeglass industry is when is the last time that you clean your microfiber cloth? And according to the quality of the microfiber cloth, it is easier or difficult to clean. But UltraVue microfiber cloths, they are machine washable, so you can just throw them in the washing machine. You just use a cold temperature, water temperature setting, and that's it. And you are sure that your microfiber cloth is always clean and ready to use, and you can machine wash it whenever you want, how many times you want, and you can reuse it for long time. That's it, guys. I hope that you understand now the difference between a gel and a liquid lens cleaner. Make your choice, clean your lenses but most importantly, be cool.